What's up, guys? Well, I'm back with another video, but this video I'm going to make hot, fiery hot pepper sauce. This one, we call this one monkey pepper. This is blazing hot. This is for the people who love hot pepper sauce, real hot pepper sauce. So what we're gonna add to this pepper sauce, we're not gonna add much things, but what we're gonna add is thyme, ginger, onion, and a few pegs of garlic. This gonna make it blazing. And we also gonna add some vinegar, because the vinegar now gonna help make it last for a long period of time. You could have it on the shelf, or you could even have it in the refrigerator. But we're going to make some hot pepper. I already washed everything clean and just ready. So all I'm going to be doing is cut and blend. I have some small bottle that I'm going to be bottling them into as well. Guys, when you're doing these things, you have to sterilize your bottle. You got to sterilize everything you're doing. Because you want to, even your knife, you want to sterilize your knife. Your bowls, you want to wash them properly. Your bottles, sterilize them, make sure they're clean. Because you want everything to be decent. Okay, so you make sure, like the bottles, you boil them in some hot water, sterilize them. Make sure everything is clean before you add anything to these things. All right? So let's get to it. Okay. So first, I'm going to start to, man, this pepper is so hot. I don't know why I do not have my gloves. This pepper does have you going for days, and I don't have my gloves. I don't understand why I forget. So guys, here what now? A next secret to this, guys. Don't show it the seeds. Leave the seeds and the membrane of the pepper inside, because that's what carry a lot of the heat. So if you cut it out, you're gonna slow it down. So for the people who do not like hot pepper sauce, you can cut out the seed and the membrane and just use the skin. But I want it blazing hot. So guess what? I have to leave it inside. So I'm going to just cut them in two, because I don't have my gloves and I don't want to touch them too much. Because these things does last for, the heat on your hand does last for days. You know, so I don't want to touch too much of it. The heat of this pepper is blowing through your nose, I'm telling you guys. This pepper ain't no joke. I make some pepper sauce a few days ago, and I give someone a bottle, and I make sure I warn them. This pepper is hot, so deal with it with caution, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you're ready for this kind of pepper, this kind of heat. This ain't no joke. So we're gonna make this. I might have to make 2 batches with this. Guys, I'm telling you, this pepper is no joke. If you smell the heat, I don't even want to touch them too much, because I already know. And they have so much seed inside them. This is for people who love hot pepper sauce. Because there's a lot of people who really love hot pepper, real hot pepper. Because they also say that hot pepper help pump the heart, make the heart pump pretty good. Like sometimes if your heart start pumping and then the pepper could help bring you back. But I'm not telling you to I'm not telling you to use hot pepper, because this pepper is no joke. So I'm not telling you to go and use any hot pepper. Some people boil them, guys, but my gosh, to boil them, it ain't no joke. Especially if you want to boil them, you got to boil them outdoor, not inside your house. I'm telling you. You got to be boiling them outdoor, not inside your house. Okay, so we have a few pegs of garlic we're going to add as well. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to add like 8 pegs of garlic. We're going to add this just for a little flavor. Everything already washed and sanitized, everything clean and prepared before I start this. So now we're going to cut up the ginger. A lot of people don't use ginger, but if you really like hot pepper sauce, just add a little ginger. That's a little secret right there. Now we're going to use the lime. Some people add salt, but I don't do salt because I don't like salt. I don't really deal with salt like that. So, and what we're going to do next, we're going to add 2 cups of vinegar. Okay? This is half cup, so we're going to add 4 of this. This measuring cup is half cup. So we're going to add 4. I mean, you could add more than 4, more than 2 cups, because it depends on the thickness that you want. It depends on how thick you want the pepper sauce. Okay, so that's 4. Okay, maybe I might have to add a next one, but let's go with yeah. You want to make sure it crush almost everything, because you want it as fine as possible. It mightn't crush the seeds, but at least the seeds is in there. So let's give it run it for another minute or so. right. So we got to make 2 batch. So this buckle already washed, already sanitized, already boiled in hot water. You have to make sure you boil it in hot water. Sanitize them before you add anything to them. So all I'm going to do here is, look at this thing, guys. Okay. That's it there right there, guys. That's fire right there, guys. So what we're going to do, guys, we can repeat the same process and make another batch. All right, so I'm going to repeat the same batch, but I just want you to see, guys, this is how I make hot pepper sauce. This is fiery pepper sauce. Remember, if you do not like hot pepper sauce, please break it down with other things like sweet pepper. Add other things to break it down. This one is the raw hot pepper sauce. Peace, love, and blessing to you guys. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, share this video. All right? Peace.